That beef noodle was satisfying. We have arrived at another iconic place in Taipei, Xiangshan. If you ever come here, make sure you don't miss out. Over here, you can enjoy the scenery while having a little hike. So, come with me. Xiangshan, also known as Elephant Mountain, is a popular hiking trail located in Xinyi district of Taipei City. There are actually a lot of viewing spots here, but I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite along the Xiangshan hiking trail, and they're also great places to take photos. Let's get up higher. Xiangshan Hiking Trail is a must-visit destination for those seeking both natural beauty and stunning urban landscapes in Taipei. Okie dokie, we have arrived at the wonderful location. There are 6 rocks here, so this spot is called the 6 Giant Rocks. Over here, you can have the grand view of Taipei and with the Taipei 101 at the back. Perfect photo spot. This is one of my favorite spots, the photography lookout. Over here, you have the grand view of Taipei 101 and the skyscrapers of Taipei City. Beautiful, right? We're so lucky today. The weather is so nice and warm. This is a perfect getaway from the sun. The breeze and the sunlight passing through the leaves is beautiful. Wow, there's a spider. We're almost at the final lookout place. Wow! This is called the fireplace lookout. You know, this place you can have the grand view of Taipei 101. It's actually a secret spot, especially during New Year Eve, because we have the firework over here. I'm thinking maybe next time I can bring my friends and family come enjoy the hike and the countdown.